Good morning. Oh my goodness. I look crazy on here. But we're gonna be vlogging today. So you guys are gonna get raw, uncut footage. Why not, right? Okay. So I'm dressed already. I just have to put my boots on because it's a little rainy outside. I do my hair, brush my teeth, wash my face, all that good stuff. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Today I do have to go to the post office. So I'm gonna go to the post office as soon as I drop my son off. I'm not gonna vlog much while I'm on the bus because it's super weird and it'll be a lot of people on the bus, especially in the morning because of the kids, they have to go to school. So I won't vlog while I'm on a bus, but we'll chat a little bit when I am like walking towards the post office. Hopefully it's not packed today because I really want to hurry up and get back home and make the men's beard balm so I can add that to the website. But yeah, you guys, I'm tired. I'm super tired. I look crazy and I really need to get my hair. Where's my brush? Is my brush downstairs? I think my brush is downstairs because I did brush my teeth yesterday downstairs. So yeah, it's right downstairs. I usually will at least do my edges, but it's already raining outside, so not beat. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my face with my hemp scrub today. It is a foaming bath scrub, so soap and scrub in one. I'm gonna use this today because my hemp soap is upstairs. We do have these in stock. I'm gonna stock up on samples hopefully this week. But we do have the full size one, and it has no scent, but it's natural scent. It is infused with hemp seed oil. Really, really good for your skin. This has helped my skin so much. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Helped my skin so much. Okay, I'm back. Whew. So I'm gonna use our hemp butter sample because I don't feel like looking for my big jar. I take about this much and I apply it on my face. Oh. So today I had to go to the post office. I had to drop off 2 packages. Thank you so much for Erin and Adelina for your purchase yesterday. I always go on TikTok to, come on, I'm gonna help you. Oh my god, this is good. Perfect. Hi. Okay, it's so dark. But I always go on TikTok to go ahead and just try to like.
I have the blue socks instead of red.
to promote the brand and do a lot of the behind the scenes stuff on there on live, because IG is super like ick. Like, people don't really be on there like that. So I'd rather just go on TikTok. Grabbing my everyday bossy bag. You guys do not know, if you are an entrepreneur, you are a small business owner, definitely get you this bag, one of her bags, because they're amazing. And I do have an affiliate code with them. You guys can get 20% off your order if you use code ROSE. Go. Just plugging that in, you know. Hey! Okay, so I'm walking to the post office. It's cold. It's cold as shit. But yeah, I'm almost to the post office. Hopefully it's not packed, because I really want to help you get home. I am gonna stop by Dunkin', give you some coffee, because it's cold. I need something hot. It's crazy. Oh my goodness. Alright, it's done. Now we're gonna go to Dunkin'. Okay, I'm back, you guys. Hello, hi, welcome. Alright, so we're gonna start inventory. We're on live. So, hey. We're on live on TikTok. We're on live on TikTok, and we're blogging for YouTube. I'm good, super busy. Hence why I am looking absolutely crazy. I need to do inventory for our for our ingredients and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. So I'm probably gonna order from these people. I need but I do still use them because if people look in, for instance, they say, oh, your lip gloss is really pretty, or where you get your lashes from, or whatever the case may be, I can say, here you go, just give them my business card and then call it a day. I've been trying to convert to QR codes. QR codes, yeah. I know a lot of people do that. But yeah, I'm just, you know, trying to re-up on whatever it is that I need to re-up on. I still do use thank you cards. And I also use business cards. Like if I go into stores, if I'm shopping or whatever, I'll go in the beauty aisle. Hey Bree, I'll go in the beauty aisle and I'll just like add my stuff into stuff. Even like the fashion aisle, like purses and stuff, I'll just slide a business card up in there. Why not, right? You gotta promote the bee's meal. So these are the cards that I just printed. Yeah, I gotta be prepared, you know. And I'm filming, I'm recording a YouTube video too. Say hi, you guys. Say hi. Say hi. Why? Oh my god, no. That's what I had. Alright, you guys, let me put this music down. So I just got off live. It wasn't as many people as it usually is. It was pretty dry, but we have business cards done. I always do these, and then I do these, and then these are our thank you cards. So I do have these done and ready to go. I did my count for inventory. A lot of the things that I have to order is pretty much like oils, like lip gloss related, honestly. So I'm gonna order that. And then I was just on live before I got off. I was saying, like, hold on, you guys, I'm trying to put these away. So I was saying how I think I'm going to make like some sample bags of like our body care products to take to my son's school and then just like pass them out for free to kind of get, you know, traction to the site or whatever. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna try to do that this week. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely try to do that this week. Definitely try to do that this week. I'll probably do like 2 items, like a body butter and a body scrub. Yeah, I definitely think the body butter and the body scrub for sure. I'm just trying to figure it out. But let me get ready because I have to go pick up my son today from school. I mean, I pick him up every day, but I gotta pick him up in a few. So let me just get myself together, put on my sweater, my shoes, and fix my hair because I look crazy. And then I will catch you guys later. If there's nothing after this, that means I didn't do anything. So love you guys, just in case this is the ending of the vlog. But yeah, I'll catch you.